Let's try one more 2D sketch challenge in Autodesk Fusion. So the first step to solve this exercise, we will select the top plane and we will create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create the circle. And this circle here has 27 millimeters of diameter. And we will create this circle with 128 millimeters of diameter. So open the Fusion and go to create a sketch and select the top plane. And here select circle or press letter C in the keyboard. Click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 27 millimeters of diameter. And create another circle here with 128 millimeters of diameter. Okay. And now we will make this hexagon. And this hexagon here, this point and this point here is coincident with the circle. So go to create, select polygon, select circumscribe the polygon, click here in the midpoint. Make sure that the edge numbers here is 6. Make one here and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, make this line here horizontal and go to coincident, select this point and the circle. Okay. And now we will create this arc. And this arc is coincident with this point. And this arc here is tangent with the circle. Okay. And the center of this arc is here in the E point. So we will use the circle to create that arc. Okay. And make a circle here. And go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this circle, and select tangent, select this circle and this one. Okay. And the reference of this point here, we will make a line here, and this line will be collinear with this one. And this point here will be coincident with this line. So select a line, a construction line, click here in this point, make a line between this point and the center of the circle. And go to constraints and select collinear, select this line and this one. Okay. And now go to modify, select break, break this circle here and break this circle here. And select this arc here, this arc and this one. And transform this in construction line type. And we made this arc here. Okay. And now we will create this arc. So we use the circle to create this, or you can just create an arc here. Must be coincident with this point and tangent with this circle. And the center of this arc is coincident with this line here. Okay. So in this case, we use the arc. Okay. So go to 3-point arc, click here on this point and click here on this arc, make this tangent here. Let me change this to remove the construction line type. Make this arc tangent here and go to find the center of this arc, this point here. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this line here. We made this arc. Okay. And now we use the circular pattern. We needed to create more 5 of this sketch here of these 2 arcs. So go to create and select the circular pattern, the object, select this arc and this one, And the center point, select the midpoint. The quantity here will be 6 and press OK. I will hide the points here a little bit and hide the construction geometry. We made this profile, okay? And now we will answer the questions. So the question 1, what is the radius of the arc A? So we have the options here. So go to sketch dimension and select the A arc here. The answer here, 58.358. So the answer here will be 58, letter B, 0.358. And now the answer, the question 2, what is the radius of the arc B? We have the answer here. So let's check the dimension. Go to dimension, select the arc B here. 71.858. 71.858, okay? And here, what's the area of the region C? Here is the region C. So let's see, we have the answers here. So let's check. Go to measure, select this area. So the area here, 527.623. 527.623. Okay. And the last question, what is the area of the region D? So we have the answer here, okay? So let's check the answer. Select the region D, is this region here. Okay. And the answer is 1098.708. It is correct. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.